Do a part 2 of this. I actually ran out of time on my last video, so I had to cut it short. Even though it was actually going long, I probably could have split this into two. But let's take a look at where I left off here. You can see that I have my global money object here. I've decided to figure out how much change I needed. I have a till that I am checking, right? And then I have a basic error checking step where all I'm doing is seeing if there is enough money, all right, in the drawer, no matter what the denominations are, just to give changed. If they equal each other, meaning that I need to give out all of my money, I'm just going to return closed. If the till, all right, is greater than the change, or if the change is greater than the till, rather, I'm just going to say insufficient funds because I don't have enough money in the drawer to cover the change. Here we have reversed. Okay, we have reversed our input here because our input's coming in ascending order, and our global object is in a descending order. And here is all of our logic, all right, including our math round, and we change our 2 decimal places, such as, penny, nickel. We multiply that by 100, make sure that I'm doing math then with integers. Then when I'm finished, I'm going to divide by 100 to get back to 2 decimal places with my math. After I get everything all done and set, I am just going to push the accumulator from my reduce, and you can see here I actually didn't get a chance to fix this. I need to push a 2D array. If I do this, I'm going to take these brackets out here, and I'm going to go ahead and run my results. You're going to see I don't have a 2D array that I am returning. Okay, I just have a simple array. So I need to make sure that when I'm pushing this next denomination value and then the actual amount of it that I need to add in this into push this actual subarray. So you can see, oh, there we go, and we are all clear. There's your 2D array. So here is the one thing that I wanted to make sure that we went ahead and cleared on here. Also, I want you to note something over here. Even though we have all of our math and round and everything, we still are only getting 1 decimal place, even though freeCodeCamp is clearing us. So what I want you to do is try to take a look at this, and I found some really cool ideas of how other people have solved this, where you don't actually need a global money object, or you can actually simplify the object itself, or you can use a simplified array. There's many ways to do this that I think are a little bit more interesting, but I think this one, at least for my purposes, lets you actually use a global object, make sure you can access key value pairs, making sure that we're looking at how to navigate the structure of an array of objects. Even though it's simple, each object only has 2 key value pairs. But for our learning purposes, I think this is good. However, in terms of an overall solution, I think this is a pretty generic solution, the one that you can pretty much find that everybody is using. So if you can find a different way, I'd really like to see how else you could make this a little more condensed, I would say. All right. Again, this was just the main fix. I didn't get in before my video got cut off. I got close to finishing it one video, even though it was over 40 minutes long. So again, hopefully this was helpful, and then I'll see you next time on the next challenge.